Look at that.
Yeah.
You like that?
Now that's fun, isn't it?
Can you draw your name? A. Put it across. A. Yep. J. Honey, that's really good.
Is erasing the most fun part? Do you like erasing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Wyatt.
Look at this.
Look at this, Wyatt. Oh, he's watching you.
Yeah.
That's fun. Shorten your
I need
fingernails.
more charger.
You have enough chalk, right, honey? You're okay.
M.
M.
I.
I.
Q.
M. I. Q.
A.
Want some coffee?
H.
Oh, I'll get it in a second. That's fine.
9. 10.
Awesome. Who gave that to you, honey? Do you know?
Santa.
Yeah.
And Mrs. Santa and Santa.
Oh, that was nice.
Did Santa come last night down the chimney? You want some help?